This is my review of the Disney Finding Dory Mr. Ray's Dive and Catch game. It comes with the Mr. Ray net, Pearl the octopus, and Sheldon the seahorse, who all float, and Dory, Nemo, and Kathy, who all sink. I purchased this dive game 5.5 years ago to motivate my swim students to try their best. It works like a charm. In case you're wondering why I don't have Dory, it's because she actually went missing about a year ago, and I've sadly had no luck in finding Dory. I'm assuming that one of my students brought her home with them one day. Here are a few things you should know. Although it's easy for me to scoop up the characters with the Mr. Ray net, it's not that easy and even next to impossible for young children. I just tell my students that they need to pick up each character one at a time and put them in the net. They have no problem with that. They love this Finding Dory dive game. They're all completely sealed and don't squirt water, so free of mold. They don't make sounds, they don't swim, and there are no moving parts. I highly recommend this dive game. Kids of all ages love it. Believe me, I've literally tested it with hundreds of children over the years, and I can assure you that none of them dislike this game. They're all big fans. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy discovering hidden gems on Amazon and want to see more product reviews, subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more amazing Amazon finds.